G'day everybody, it's George from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to remove a VF Commodore screen / stereo. And the tools we're going to use today are a plastic spudger and a 7mm socket. Okay, let's get started. First part we're going to remove is these two strips here. You can get your spudger in at the very end and it will just come out with clips. Okay, now we'll do this end here. And you get your spudger right in the corner. It's easy to start up this end and then just take it out without putting any pressure on one point at any one time. And that's going to expose 1, 2, 3, 4, 7mm bolts. So we'll take those out. Now we've got the bolts out, this whole top part will unclip. And this section is held in with 3 electrical cables. Press the center pin and pull it towards the back. So now that we've got the top section out, this section and the 2 screws out of there, this section will come out. We can just leave that sit down there for a sec. Now that will expose 4 7mm screws. You'll take those out and this whole radio will come out. It will have a combination of these guys on the back. You'll need to press the center pin and unplug them all, and you can send that along with the screen off to Supertech Electronics for repair.